We'll walk you through.
How to add GoDaddy domain to Cloudflare.
If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel.
So once you are on your Cloudflare website, the first thing you want to do is to go over to where it says enter an existing domain or register a new domain. So if you have one, you can just go ahead and input it. I'm going to show you how to do that on GoDaddy. So once you're on GoDaddy, the first thing you want to do is go over to the top right corner where your profile is, click on my products. And once you're on there, you're going to be redirected to this page where your domain will be listed and all the domains you have. So you can either just copy it and go back to Cloudflare and paste it on here. Since I already have a domain, I'm going to click quick scan for DNS records and click continue. Once you do that, a pop-up page is going to appear, and here you need to select a plan for your domain. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be going with the free plan, but you can also explore other options as well. So I will select that. Okay, so a page is going to appear reviewing and revealing all of the records associated with your domain. So as you can see here, you want to scroll down and click on continue to activation. Once that's done, it means you're ready to connect your GoDaddy domain to Cloudflare. So the third option shows all of the name servers. You would need to copy this information and post it in the name servers on GoDaddy. So going back to GoDaddy, I'm going to click on DNS, manage. All right. So once I'm on here, on the right of your screen, you want to click on manage domain. Right. Go over to DNS, name servers. And here you want to change and replace the name servers from Cloudflare. I'm going to click on it, click on I'll use my own name servers, and you want to copy those information that you got on Cloudflare. So I'm going to copy the first one, go back to Cloudflare, copy the second one, and paste it here. Once I'm ready with that, I'm going to click on save. Continue. And it says that your request is in progress. So this has been successful. So the next step is to go back to Cloudflare and click on continue. All right, so you're gonna be given this information that the registrars can take up to 24 hours to process the name server changes. Usually this takes about 5 to 10 minutes, sometimes way quicker. You're gonna get an email telling you the status of your changes. So we're just gonna go to my email here. And as you can see, I've received an email that says Cloudflare network is now boosting speed and security on my domain. So if you don't receive an email, you want to go back to Cloudflare and click check name servers now. All right. And typically this should work out in about 5 minutes or so. Just be a little patient with it and you should receive the email. So as you can see, guys, my dashboard says that my domain has been added successfully and Cloudflare is now protecting your site. So this is basically how to go about it. There are some caveats though, because sometimes this might not work. You might receive some kind of an error, usually a 502 error, something of that sort. If that happens, I'm going to show you a quick way to go about it. So yeah, it's a 522 connection error, sorry. And some of the common causes are if your domain is not being found by Cloudflare, right? So what you want to do in this situation is to go over to your domain and make sure that you have your DNS records properly configured and the name servers are changed correctly. So also you can go over to Cloudflare and make some changes to the DNS records. So I'm gonna go over to Cloudflare, click on DNS, and you want to make sure that your type A records, the IP address, is the same as what is on your domain. Another thing you can do is to also turn off the proxy status by clicking on edit and turning it off and checking if your domain works when it's turned off. And in that way, you can figure out what the problem is. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more.